this video, we want like to have access maybe to, I don't know, GitHub or Bitbucket or some other like Git we are using. In order to do so, I don't use like any helper, like I don't know, GitHub credentials helper for Windows or whatever have others in there. So I use a pair of like SSH keys, private and public. We're gonna do that together, generate a key to see how to like add and use. So in order, last time we installed like two packages, Git and OpenSSH client. So having OpenSSH client gives you access to generate keys. So we have this command SSH. SSH keygen. So we just hit that. It's asking me where I want to save. So it's in my user.ssh folder ID RSA. So this is the file. Now I have to choose a password. If you type enter, will do like no password, but I recommend to have a password for your key. All right, I have to enter the password again. So this generated in SSH folder. Okay, like two keys. So ID RSA, it's the private key. ID RSA public, it's that pub, it's the public key. So the private key, it's for you. You should not share with anyone at no matter cost. The public key, it's like to exchange it, to like put where you need to access some things from your local. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the content of the public key. All right. I'm gonna take this content of the public key and I'm gonna add to my GitHub account. It's similar to like add to any like profile, not GitHub only. I mean, go to settings, SSH keys, and then you just do new SSH key. So I'll go like in here, let's say home PC Debian. So it's like up to you to how you name it in order like to remember it. So I paste it here at SSH key. That will like bring me access to my repos and clone. And I want to like clone a repository of mine in there. So this will be this one. And in the next video, I'm gonna talk about this and its importance. I'm not sure you can clone through SSH. This repository is public, so if it's not working for you, please use HTTPS. It doesn't matter. So in my home directory, right, I'm gonna clone that. It will ask me for the password of my key, right? Let's assume I don't want every time I use a SSH key to like enter password. So I do a git pull. I don't want to use password, or I want to clone some other of my repos. I don't want to use a password. In order to like not have to enter your password every time, we can like set up an agent, and the agent will use that key every time we want to do something with Git. So we have two commands to set up an agent. So the first one is like to eval an agent, like eval SSH agent. Right, this will start an agent in my case with PID 24. And in order to add the key to agent, it's like the SSH add command. This will add the default ID RSA, like this one, in the agent. If you want to add another key, let's assume you have multiple keys, then you specify the path to the key you want to add, like this, and you add that specific key. When doing SSH add will ask for the password. So I type the key password. Now I have my identity added. If I do again the git clone command, now will skip asking me for password and will clone the project directly. Right? So now it's like cloned. And I think that's all for today's video. I'm gonna talk about this project and what's in here in the next video. So thank you all for watching. If you have questions, hit the comments section. And also, if you want like me to dig more into like maybe SSH, into Git, like Git commands or some other stuff, let me know.